The year 2021 is about to finish and the world is still struggling to get rid of the virus. We are in the last month and this is a time of looking back to analyze the areas we have failed in terms of our resolutions, decisions and actions, and also appreciate the good things. And also a time of eager expectations for the new year, hoping for a positive change. Bible says in the book of Romans, do not conform any longer to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, His good, pleasing, and perfect will. What have you achieved in seeking the truth and seeking to know the true God this year? We cannot blindly follow the worldly customs and traditions and outward actions as this word say, do not conform or go along with the worldly system. We need a transformation inside, in our minds, a renewal which will reveal the truth, like a caterpillar turning into a beautiful butterfly. Let us seek to worship the true God who came down and died for our sins and removed the punishment of eternal hell and death. When our minds are renewed, we will know the will of God, which is good, pleasing, and perfect. Welcome back to Flowers and Thoughts. The skirts I made for the dolls were getting dried up and the color was fading. So I thought I will refashion them so that they will look beautiful again. This is how I did it. Take a bottle, cut it into pieces like this. We don't need the middle piece. Make a hole in the bottom of the bottle and fix the top of the bottle in the hole. Make holes in the bottom part as you can see in the picture. Fix the doll in the bottle so that the legs will pass through the neck of the bottle and it will stay tight. Now put plant cuttings through the holes and fill it with soil so that cuttings can grow and cover the bottle. Watering will be easy in this method as we can do it at the open top portion of the bottle. The skirts are already looking beautiful. Christmas is coming, so I am planning to make a Christmas tree with my succulents and some decorations. I have already started looking for the things which are available at home so that I can make a Christmas tree which is free of cost. If you want to see how I am making my Christmas tree, Subscribe to my channel, like, share and share the video. I'm excited. See you soon. Bye bye.